Yes, we are Team Boom, and we are actually together with the other team, or like the other project that Victor presented. So I'll pick up right where he ended with his process slide, and where the APS project is about putting data into the cloud or unlocking it. We are on the other side. We want to make a boom and expose data at scale by creating this quantity takeoff app for Speckle. And the current practice, just to kind of refresh your memory from what Victor said, it's a lot about opening Revit, spending all your time on waiting and getting coffee, and then you can make your schedule that you can then hand over to the clients. And this all happens in this closed environment, which makes it really hard to scale up. Besides that, there's an accessibility problem. Usually you have a Revit schedule, you put it into an Excel table, and then you have different versions of the Excel table flying around in emails, and the whole single source of truth thing breaks. So this is kind of the flow together with the rest of the team. You start over an APS, you get all your models out, you get put it into Speckle, and then you can visualize your schedules in the Boom app. And the nice thing about quantity takeoff is it's basically a middle station between the model and other analysis or things you want to do. That could be cost, it could be LTA, that can be QA of the model, basically in a table form. So now it's time for a demo. So the app is available on boom.construction.eu. You can log into Speckle, and here is actually the model that Victor showed got uploaded to Speckle from them. You can pick a branch. It will load the model, and here you can see we have all the objects inside the model, and we can pick a column, which is basically a type property inside the objects. And here we have, you can search, it's autocomplete or auto suggest. We have GWP because Knut actually calculate the LCA when it gets uploaded, and we can at the same time filter and color the objects in the Speckle stream or the Speckle viewer, and inspect the data visually. So that's our little app. The code is on GitHub, and if we go back to the presentation, video, so this is the grand kind of architecture of what we did this weekend. There's the APS connector made in Nox. We have a TypeScript service to convert the APS stuff. We have a Python app microservice thing running. It sends it to Speckle, then the Boom app reads Speckle, and then we can do cost and LCA in the end.